Alright, so I want to say thank you to all the persons them that have been supporting us throughout the years, and especially last year. Last year was kind of a bit a challenging one as it pertains to us making transition from one place to another and just trying to find our own footing and just trying to make a new mark as it pertains to filmmaking. So big up to everybody that has always been supporting us from day one and that is still supporting us. And going forward for this new year, we have a lot of great things in store. We have things that we want to accomplish. We don't just want to stay one place. There are things that we want to do, and we can't do them by ourselves without having persons who believe in our way I do. People them will share the video them on YouTube. People them who send a little donation towards what we've been doing. Just I said thank you guys and just continue to show love and support. We're always in the mood of just trying to